Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Capital One 360 savings account step by step. The first thing I want you to do is just go to the Capital One website. You can log in if you want, if not, that's still fine. Just need to scroll down here under Explore Other Products. You'll see Open a New Account, okay? Go ahead and click on this, and then they'll give you different options. So credit card, checking and savings, choose checking and savings right here. And then I want you to click here on Savings Account and choose the 360 performance savings. Okay, click open account. They'll double check the information they already have of you. Then I want you to click here on continue, scroll down. If you have a promo code, you can go ahead and use that. If not, you can just click on continue, and then you just need to go ahead and confirm the information they already have of you, which will be locked, or you can go ahead and edit the other information. Just scroll down. Once you're happy with it, click on confirm and continue. And then you need to choose your contact preferences, okay? So if it's mobile number, you can choose to either, get a text or call, or you can choose to only contact them, for them to contact you through non-automated means. You can click on continue once you've chosen it. And then you will have to choose the option right here about the tax certification. If you have been notified by the IRS that you're subject to backup withholding because this, form of account, that's a requirement. It'll give you the, W-9 form that's generated based on your response. You just go ahead and certify, click on continue, and then just certify the following as well. Click on continue, and then you just start with your first deposit. Choose where you are going to transfer from. If you already have an account, you can transfer from another account you have, right? Choose the amount you transfer, click on continue, or you can add money to your account later as well. And if everything is okay, click on open your account and just let it verify everything. And there you go. You have your account, you'll have your routing number and account number right here as well. You just click here to go to your account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.